Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're searching for the perfect gift for someone who loves food, cooking, and exploring new flavors, this video is for you. Today, we're sharing 20 amazing gift ideas for food lovers that are creative, practical, and absolutely delightful. Let's get started. Number 1. Premium Chocolate Gift Box. A sweet and classic gift that always feels special. Number 2. Personalized Recipe Book. A beautiful book to collect favorite recipes and cooking memories. Number 3. Coffee Maker Machine. Perfect for coffee lovers who enjoy cafe-style drinks at home. Number 4. Gourmet Snack Basket. Filled with halal-friendly snacks, biscuits, and treats. Number 5. Customized Cutting Board. Engraved with names or special messages for a personal touch. Number 6. Spice Collection Set. A perfect gift for food lovers who enjoy experimenting with flavors. Number 7. Dessert Baking Kit. Ideal for those who love baking cookies, cakes, and sweets. Number 8. Air Fryer. A modern kitchen gadget for easy and healthy cooking. Number 9. Personalized Mug Set. Great for tea and coffee lovers. Number 10. Tea Gift Box. A relaxing selection of premium teas. Number 11. Mini Waffle Maker. A fun kitchen tool for breakfast lovers. Number 12. Decorative Serving Tray. Stylish and useful for serving food in a beautiful way. Number 13. Honey Gift Set. Natural and sweet collection of premium honey jars. Number 14. Personalized Apron Set. Cooking becomes more fun with custom aprons. Number 15. Kitchen Knife Set. A practical gift for home chefs. Number 16. Homemade Dessert Surprise. Baked cookies or cakes for a personal and heartfelt gift. Number 17. Recipe Stand Holder. Makes cooking easier and more organized. Number 18. Premium Dinnerware Set. Elegant plates and bowls for special meals. Number 19. Indoor Herb Garden Kit. Perfect for growing fresh herbs at home. And finally, number 20. Romantic Homemade Dinner Night. Cook a special meal at home and create a beautiful dining setup for a memorable food-filled experience together. The best gifts for food lovers are not just about eating, they're about sharing experiences, creating memories, and enjoying delicious moments together. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more gift ideas and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.